court responded and ordered an immediate vacation of illegal camps and farm settlements of Fulani herdsmen in Delta State. The High Court of Justice Akukwu-Igbo Judicial Division has struck out the suit brought before it by Fulani herdsmen challenging the Executive Order 2 of the Oshimiri North Local Government in Delta State. The court, presided over by Honorable Justice M.C. Oko, last Tuesday struck out the suit for lack of jurisdiction. Recalled that the chairman of Oshimiri North Local Government Area, Louis Ndukwe, had in May issued Executive Order 2 directing the immediate vacation of illegal camps and farm settlements in all the bushes within Oshimiri North Local Government Area of Delta State with a 7-day ultimatum. Following the said Executive Order 2, the Fulani herdsmen, through their team of legal experts led by M.N. Eluno, filed the suit number AKU 23-2020, seeking order of court for an injunction restraining the respondent, the executive chairman of Oshimiri North Local Government, Honorable Louis Ndukwe, from executing the said order pending the hearing and determination of the substantive suit. In hearing the application, the court ordered that the respondent show cause by the order of injunction sought by the applicants. The Fulani herdsmen should not be granted. Responding to the application, the counsel to the Oshimiri North Local Government, A.E. Nwosu, filed a preliminary objection challenging the suit. After hearing the submission of all counsel, Justice Oko upheld the submission of the defense counsel and ruled in favor of Oshimiri North Local Government Area. The judge accordingly struck out the case with a cost of 50,000 awarded in favor of A.E. Nwosu, with the court ruling. It is believed that the Fulani herdsmen and other occupying illegal camps and farm settlements in all the bushes within Oshimiri North Local Government Area of Delta State would now comply with the executive order of the local government. Thank you for listening to this news. That is it. See, nobody or anywhere will ever for once concur to the Fulanis decision, or we dance to their plan of having a farm settlement in their community. Their atrocities is getting out of hand. It is only a devil that will respond and concur to that fact. You understand? So what are they actually fighting for? What are they actually contesting for in the court? They expect the court to grant them the permission to gain stay in a community that is not theirs, in a state that is not theirs. What must be the problem of these people? What has happened to their own state? Why can't they go to their own state and reside and rear their cattle? Why coming to another state, another man's state, to cause problems? You can see what you are saying, that these Fulanis, they don't know themselves. They don't know themselves one bit. You can imagine. What is there? Why can't they just understand simple English? Well, my happiness is that the court has justified Delta State and has given a quick notice to these Fulani herders. It is now left to them to heed to the court order, or else they will face it squarely. You understand? They will face it squarely because no one is going to come to their rescue if they don't dance to the tune of the court. I want to really my attention is also drawn to the barrister that fought for the Fulani herders, and I want to believe that this barrister is not even from Delta State, but is actually an Igbo man. And also, as an Igbo man, doesn't it give him a clear understanding that these people are terrorists, and is he not aware of the way they have been terrorizing different states in the southeast, and yet he decide to stand and fight for their case? Well, I think the barrister may just decide to fight, but then is maybe actually is after his money, because barristers of nowadays don't even pay attention to cases anymore, but the money that you give to them is what they pay attention to. You understand? So I would say that with this that has just been justified and decided by the courts in Delta State, the Fulani in Delta State will know their stand and will definitely find their way out of the state, or else they will face the law of the state. But then, with aside from that, I want to crave the indulgence of the courts in Delta State, not to end it there. They should help to see to the complete movement of these Fulanis out of Delta State, because these people, if not shown the right door out of Delta State, they will cause more harm to the state, and this will not be tolerated by the people of Delta State. So since this has been decided, I want to say that without any much to say, that the Delta States should hold their peace, and why these hoodlums find their way peacefully out of Delta State. And the same thing should, if possible, should be practiced in other southeast states in Nigeria, because these people, the Fulanis, from my observation, you don't need to pay them back with violence, because they themselves, they are violence in nature. Understand? So paying them back with violence is risking your life, the life of your families and your properties, and you're risking your own community. So why don't you fight them with the law? Let the law take its course, and they will definitely be dismissed for good. You understand? So my viewers, I don't know what your comments may be concerning this case, but please don't forget to leave them behind. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.